Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Got a catfish on a crankbait.
Y'all see that? The hook came right out of his mouth. Nice one. That other one though. Alright, you guys. The first one was a whole lot bigger than this one. First one was a whole lot bigger, but hey, here's what it is. Got them on the chatterbait with the Fluke Junior trailer tail on it. Hey, let's keep it moving.
All right, let's get this little guy back in the water. Yeah. Nice little bass. Get him back. Awesome. I know. Wow. I gotta get him out the water. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Love you too. Bye. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'll come here for about 45 minutes. Look at this guy right here. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, let's check the weight on this, shall we? Zero it out. $502, you guys. That's a nice bass, you guys. Look at that. Whew. Let's check the weight on this guy again. Let's check it one more time. Zero it out. Okay. Saying a 502 solid, you guys. Awesome, you guys. Woohoo! I'm using the silver and black back lipless crankbait. Let's see if we can do it again.
All right, guys, just got on one. Ugh. Good gracious sakes.
There's a big old fish in here.
Got them on in silver and black back.